Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to calculate working hours and overtime. We have this table, employee name, time in, time out, also working hours. As you can see here, this one, time out minus time in would be working hours for each employee. My focus is on overtime, how to calculate overtime for each employee. Here write this formula. Close the bracket. As you can see here, it calculates overtime for each employee that we have. And here, it calculates total overtime hours. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. And for more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.